Welcome to TNT Rhum 32. If you've ever sat at a Rhum 32 table and felt unsure about the rules, the spreads, or how the game really works, you're in the right place. This website was created for one simple reason: to explain Rhum 32 clearly and correctly, step by step. Here, you'll learn how to play Rhum 32, how to count your hand properly, what spreads are and why they matter, how the insurance and tie bets work, and how a full hand is played from start to finish. Everything on this site and on our YouTube channel is educational and beginner friendly. No hype, no pressure, just clear explanations so you can understand the game better. Use the menu to explore the lessons, or head over to our YouTube channel to watch short and full tutorials. Thanks for visiting TNT Rhum 32. Let's learn Rhum 32 the right way.